About 9 years ago, Mike, Ken, and I would go to the Guilford Planet Fitness after school. We'd all meet there every day, and when we would go, we'd always see Mackenzie. And Mike was like, dude, I'm gonna marry this girl. And me and Ken look at each other laughing like, she's way out of your league, buddy.
Ken's is also wild, energetic, and the life of the party. Also the queen of any dance floor she ever steps on, which I'm sure we'll all get to enjoy tonight, so get excited.
You guys are gonna have fun editing this.
Thank you all for coming to this wonderful occasion at this very unique and lovely spot on the Connecticut River. From this day forward, you will become closer than ever.
We need a boat, we do.
At the same time, the commitment you are making to each other should permit each of you to seek out your own unique destinies and to make your own special contributions to the world.
My wish, if I could have one, would be for everyone to have a Mackenzie in their life. Ken's is the most kind, giving, and hardworking person you'll ever meet. She's beautiful both inside and out, and I feel so lucky to not only have her as a sister, but as a best friend.
We're gonna live large today.
Mike, I can't see them, but I'm assuming you're wearing your matching chains today. So, I'm excited to see your drunken alter ego, Tony, come out.
I'm throwing it out.
We'll have to see if he keeps up with Ken's on the dance floor. I don't know.
It's hard to describe in words the friendship Mike and I have because it's truly one of a kind. The amount of times we've both been in tears laughing from something ridiculous one of us has said is insane. But that's what makes this friendship special and what I appreciate most. I know he'll always have my back, and I have his. We're brothers.
When love is combined with real friendship, it is one of the most rewarding experiences. No greater blessing can come to your married life than genuine love, loyal and true.
We've had a very tough year, and all families have had tough times lately. And it's just wonderful to have this family have this exciting, wonderful union. And I can't say how happy I am for you two and all of us being a family. So have a great evening. Enjoy. Let's drink.
You know the saying, it was love at first sight, right? You see it in all the movies and everything. And I was really happy. I was able to be there for Mike when it happened for him. We get there and we picked up Leo, and it was like the most magical thing you've ever seen in your whole life. Hey, Leo,
Even though we all know they don't love being the center of attention, I think I speak for everybody here when I say we're so excited to celebrate you and shower you with love today.
With this ring, I thee wed, and forever pledge my devotion.
With this ring, I thee wed.
And forever pledge my devotion.
And forever pledge my devotion.
May this love with which you join your hands and hearts today grow deeper and stronger as the years go on. And for an Irish blessing, it is in the shelter of each other that we live. I now pronounce you husband and wife. I make this the bride.
Mackenzie. Energy has been Mackenzie. We used to call her Ricochet Rabbit. There's a lot of you that are too young to know what Ricochet Rabbit is. That's Mackenzie. Bing, bing, bing.
You know I'm ready for a good time. Now I'm soaking in the sunshine. No clouds above me, only blue skies. You know I'm ready for a good time, good time.
Congratulations to you both. I love you. Cheers to Mike and Mac Daddy.
Oh, the coolest wear sunglasses.
Next, bitch. Sorry. You're gonna have to cut some footage, but you could also leave it